Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making devil eggs. For our ingredients, we have our eggs, which are already boiled. We have our yellow mustard. I use Vegenaise, that is my mayo of choice. We have garlic, salt, paprika, Cajun seasoning, sweet relish, pepper, and diced red onions. And for our garnish, we have some bacon and green onions. And my utensil choice is a piping bag with a piping tip. So now we're getting ready to make our devil egg. So like I said, our eggs have already been boiled. Here, I just peeled them. I'm gonna cut my eggs in half and take the yolk out. So here I'm just cutting my eggs. Please don't cut the egg in your hand. Okay, so I'm gonna take the yolk out. And we're gonna come back and all my eggs are done. So here's all my yolks. Now here I'm adding my seasonings. My first seasoning is garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, paprika, my diced red onions, some salt, here I'm adding my sweet relish, tablespoon of mustard. Here I'm going to add my mayo, my Vegenaise. I'm just mixing it up with my whisk. Here I'm showing you my mixture, and I'm gonna taste it to make sure it has enough salt. And now I'm getting ready to add it to my piping bag. I'm just showing you how. So here are my eggs, and I'm just gonna squeeze that in the middle. Okay, so here are my eggs. I'm getting ready to garnish. I'm gonna add some bacon. And I'm gonna sprinkle with a little paprika. And now I'm adding my green onions and parsley for my garnish. And a pinch of salt. We have made devil eggs. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.